Viewers, now let's turn our focus to Bangladesh, where months after the ouster of Sheikh Hasina as Prime Minister, Bangladesh has now begun the process of erasing the image of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, her father and the iconic figure behind the founding of the country. From its currency notes, Bangladesh Bank is printing new notes, including in them features of the July uprising. The Dhaka Tribune has reported on Thursday, referring to the students-led protest that forced Hasina to flee to India on August 5th. Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus took charge as chief advisor as the head of an interim government. A major news break coming in this morning from Bangladesh, where months after the ouster of Sheikh Hasina as Prime Minister, Bangladesh has begun to erase the image of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the founding father of the country and Sheikh Hasina's father. From the currency notes, now Bangladesh Bank is printing new notes, including features from the July uprising. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Samiksha, who's joining us live from the newsroom. Samiksha, take us through this. This is something that is not heard of. It doesn't happen very often that the father whose images are imprinted on the currency notes is erased. How is this likely to pan out really for Bangladesh right now?
Well, absolutely, Priyanka. And this once again highlights how Bangladesh is descending into complete dictatorship under Muhammad Yunus regime. We are given to understand that the process has already begun to remove the images of Mujibur Rahman from the currency notes. In fact, a statement that's also been issued by a bank official, the Bangladesh bank official, who's confirmed that the process has begun for printing new banknotes of Taka 20, 100, 500 and 1000 denominations without Rahman's image. Instead, the notes will have images. They will have graffiti of the uprising during the ouster of Sheikh Hasina a few months ago. In fact, the Finance Ministry has also confirmed the same, that there are plans to redesign all currency notes and that the process has already begun. A statement that's also coming in from the Bangladesh Bank Executive Director himself, who says that the new bank notes will not include the image of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. In fact, Priyanka, also to add here that Mujibur Rahman is one of the most revered figures when it comes to Bangladesh. It's the history that Bangladesh has had during the 1971 Liberation War as well. The former president, who's a revered figure, the father of Sheikh Hasina as well. So we've seen, in fact, the images that were witnessed during the ouster of Sheikh Hasina when the statue of Mujibur Rahman was vandalized by those radical elements. This incident, in fact, this particular diktat by the Muhammad Yunus regime once again highlights how the country is descending into complete chaos. There is completely anarchy mindset which stands exposed, and how Bangladesh in many ways is turning into mini Pakistan. Priyanka.
Thank you, Samiksha, for those details coming in. A very unusual take where the founder of the country and whose images are imprinted on the currency notes will soon be erased.